Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Raichu from Pokemon. I'm going to draw Raichu in a running position. So to start drawing this Raichu, I'm going to start drawing a circle for the head. After drawing the circle, I'm drawing a light curve mark inside the circle. This represents that Raichu's head will be facing to the right. Next, I will be drawing the eyes for Raichu. Right over here, I'm just drawing a small circle for Raichu's eye. And then I will do the same thing on the right side. Now moving over to the left side, inside the circle for the eye, I'm just drawing another small circle for the highlight of Raichu's eye and filling it in with the pencil. And doing the same thing with the other side of Raichu's eye. After drawing the eyes, we're going to move over towards the middle of this line right here and start drawing the nose. To draw the nose, I'm just drawing a small triangle just like this. Now I'm going to move down just a little bit to draw the mouth of Raichu. So I'm just going to draw a curved line just like the letter U and another curved line to make the shape of Raichu's mouth. Now moving down a little bit, we're gonna make Raichu's mouth open, and starting from here, I'm just making a dot and drawing a line, connecting it together just like this. And on the other side, doing the same thing. After we drew the mouth of Raichu, inside the mouth we're gonna draw the tongue. All we have to do is just draw a curved line. From here, I'm darkening the lines of the circle that we drew before, giving Raichu's face more of a structure. And right over here, is kind of important, is to draw like a little curve mark, just like this, to create the cheek of Raichu. Once you got the basic shape of Raichu's head, we're gonna start drawing the cheeks for Raichu. So right on the right side, we're going to draw a small circle, and on the left side we're going to draw a full circle just like this. Moving up top to the left corner right over here, we're going to start drawing the left side of Raichu's ear. I'm going to start drawing a line going towards the head, creating a little curve. On this point right here, I'm making the same thing but outwards. And on the top, I am connecting the lines together, creating a boomerang shape, or the letter D. Notice how I'm drawing very lightly, that way it's easy for me to erase. Inside the ear of Raichu, we're going to start drawing the detail work. So following along the natural curve of Raichu's ear, we're going to draw a line going down and filling it in with pencil. After that, on the bottom line of Raichu's ear, we're going to extend it and make a little curl. For the right side of Raichu's ear is going to be similar to what we've done before, it's just going to be in the opposite direction. Starting right here, I'm drawing a curved line going up, and at this point right here, I'm drawing a curved line going downwards, and making this line on the bottom, connecting it all together. And after you make the basic shape of Raichu's ear, don't forget the detail work inside the ear and the curl at the end. I'm going to erase a few lines, and if I'm going too fast at any time of the video, you can pause it and go at your own pace. Now I'm going to draw the left side of Raichu's arm. Right over here, I'm going to extend the line just a little bit, and from that point, I'm creating a curved line or the letter U backwards. Inside the arm, we're going to work on the detail work. So I'm just going to create like a little swiggle line inside the arm, just like this. 1, 2, and 3. And after that, filling it in with the pencil. Once we're done drawing the arm, I'm going to start drawing a rough sketch of Raichu's body. This will give me an idea how I want the body to be positioned. As you can see what I'm doing right now, I'm just darkening the line of the right side of Raichu's body And then after, I will draw in the right arm. Like we did before drawing the left arm, we're gonna do the same thing but in a different position for the right arm. So basically what I'm doing is drawing the letter U or a curved line. And inside the arm, we're gonna draw the detail work, which is a little swiggle line. Now I'm going to darken the body just a little bit so I can have a clear view. Right around here, I'm going to start drawing the left leg of Raichu. Starting from this line, I'm going to start drawing an oval shape for the leg. Now we're going to draw the foot. Right around here, we're going to draw an oval shape. On the bottom of Raichu's feet, we're going to draw two separate lines, giving space for the toes of Raichu. And in the middle right here, we're just going to draw the detail work, which is a curved line. And after that, we're going to fill it in. Moving up top right here, in between the arm and the leg, we're going to draw a small triangle for the stripe of Raichu, and filling it in with the pencil. Moving towards the body of Raichu, we're going to draw the detail work, which is a curved line. So starting from this point, I'm going to start the curved line going up and slightly curving it down towards the bottom of Raichu's body. After that, we're going to draw the right leg of Raichu. Aligning it to the left, we're just going to draw the same thing like we did before. Start off with an oval shape for the leg. Right around here, we're going to draw the foot. So we're going to draw an oval shape going up. Once we got the shape of Raichu's foot, we're going to start drawing the toes. Like we did before, we're going to draw two lines giving space, and on top, I'm going to round it off to create the shape of Raichu's toe. Now in between the leg and the toe, I'm going to erase the line and adjust it a little bit. Inside the toe, we're going to start drawing the detail work. Starting from this point, I'm drawing a line going all the way down to the toe and connecting it. And after that, I'm just rounding it off on top and filling it in with the pencil, halfway. On the bottom over here, we're going to draw an oval shape for the detail work. Alright, we're almost done drawing Raichu. All we need to do is just draw the tail. If you're watching this far, you are awesome. Also, comment down below what you think about my drawing pace and my explanation in this video. On the bottom right here, I'm starting to draw the tail shape. I'm drawing a curved line connecting it to the toe, and I'm drawing another line doing the same thing. Pretend the shape of the tail will be going around this direction, so we're gonna curve it out just like this. On the first line, we're just gonna go through the legs and draw a curved line going all the way up and curving it in and out, just like this. And after that, we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom line and following the first line that we drew. And after you got the basic shape of Raichu's tail, you can color it in with the pencil. At the end of the tail right over here, we're going to draw the lightning bolt. So starting from here, I'm drawing a diagonal line going up, following along this line. And right across horizontally, I'm drawing a line going this way. And on this line right here, I'm going to extend the line just like this, and creating a line parallel to the horizontal line that we drew before. From this line, I'm just going to draw a line going up slightly diagonal, and on top of that line that we drew before, we're going to draw in opposite direction going up. It looks like a zigzag line. And after that, we're going to connect it all together to create a lightning bolt. For the rest of the video, I'm going to put it into a time-lapse to show you my outlining and coloring Raichu. Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.